Before we continue reading, we're going to review the questions that we need to answer. Number 9, how were Buddhist temples different from Shinto shrines? Number 10, how did meditation play a part in Buddhism? We're going to skip the foldable number 11. The check for understanding box. List 2 methods of fighting used by samurai, and name 2 characteristics of Japanese art and architecture. Religion and the arts. During the rule of shoguns, most people in Japan believed in both Shinto and Buddhism. Each religion met different needs. Shinto linked people to nature and their homeland. Buddhism offered spiritual peace. Many Japanese wrote religious poems and plays, produced paintings, and built shrines and temples. By the time Buddhism reached Japan, it had formed into many different sects or small groups. Many followers of a sect called Zen Buddhism practiced martial arts or sports involving combat and self-defense. Zen Buddhists also practiced meditation. During meditation, the person tried to clear the mind of all worldly thoughts and desires. Meditation was considered a way for people to relax and find inner peace. The Japanese borrowed the Chinese writing system. However, they changed it by adding symbols that stood for sounds. This made it much easier to read and write. Lady Murasaki Shikibu wrote the Tale of the Genji around AD 1000. Some scholars called this work the world's first novel. The Japanese also wrote plays. The oldest type of play in Japan is called No. No plays taught Buddhist ideas. Many No plays are still performed in Japan today. Japanese architecture and art focused on simplicity and beauty. Shinto shrines were usually simple wooden buildings with a straw roof. Buddhist temples were built in the Chinese style. They were richly decorated. They had many altars, paintings, and statues. To create beauty inside buildings, Japanese artisans made wooden statues, furniture, and household items.